Hey guys, TechNutso here, back again with another video. From the thumbnail and title, you've got to know what this video is about. So let's get started. BGMI was removed from the App Store and Play Store by the Government of India on 27th of July regarding some security concerns, restricting new updates and downloads. But as the servers are still online, we haven't lost access to the game yet. It's almost 4 months now and we haven't had any updates or new events in the game, so it's kinda boring now. While wandering around in the App Store, I found this game named T3 Arena. The graphics and the MOBA genre caught my attention instantly. Wasted no time and downloaded the game. The size of the game is 1.7 gigabytes. This game looks very similar to Valorant, at least to me. T3 Arena is a 3v3 multiplayer shooting game. There are various hero characters in the game which are unlocked by playing matches. These are quick matches that are short, just some minutes. Each hero has his own abilities and powers. The hero's abilities can be upgraded. There are 4 currencies in the game. First is the glory token, which can be used in glory store. Second is the star coins, which are used in the lucky draws. Third, T gems, which can be used to purchase premium pass and skin etc. from the store. Fourth are the T coins used to upgrade heroes. T3 Arena has 2 types of premium passes, the standard and the advanced, costing 160 T gems and 240 respectively. The standard pass costs Rs 800 and the advanced pass costs Rs 1300. There are 7 modes wherein first is already unlocked for you and the others are unlocked by reaching the desired trophies. Some insights before we start the game. First, you have to select the mode and the maps are selected randomly. Second, the character auto fires, you just have to aim, use the power-ups and jump manually. Third, you can voice chat with your teammates and also there are quick chat sounds. Fourth, after you die, you are respawned in 6 seconds. Fifth, there are checkpoints where you can recover your health. Sixth, the gun automatically reloads when you run out of ammo. You can also manually reload if you want. Seventh, the top right near corners shows the FPS and your pings, but the battery indicator is missing. Eighth, my graphics quality is set to super high with a frame rate at high, which is 60 FPS. Ninth, you can also use gyro to play the game. 10th, invite your friends to the game and gang up on the opponents. Now let's play a match and I will tell you my experience. The interface is smooth and responsive. The graphics are also top notch and the performance is too. The 30-minute matches of the BGMI will be missing here. And not many people around me know about the T3 Arena.
Three, two, one, start!
My experience has been good and I suggest you guys should try it out too.
Double kill!
Well done.
Triple kill! Quadruple kill!
This game is available on iOS as well as Android. I have dropped the links in the description below. Download it and give it a try.
Unstoppable! Total domination!
I'm doing a flanking attack.
Your team is halfway to victory.
I am very well enjoying playing this game.
Double kill. Triple kill. Quadruple kill. Killing spree. Unstoppable. Your team is about to win. Domination. Victory on stage.
So here I end my video. This was my perspective on the T3 arena. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.